Hi guys, welcome on my YouTube channel Crochet Pumpkin and on episode 2 of Easy Peasy Crochet Christmas Ornament. If you are a beginner, well, welcome. You will see this pattern is so easy to follow. And today I'm showing you how to make this very cute beanie. It's 3 by 3 inches, so it's like perfect to put in the tree. It's adorable. And let's get started with the supplies. So you will need a hook 4mm or G6. Then all my yarn come from Hobby Lobby. I got the blue acrylic mini maker yarn. Honestly, the picture is really not representative of the real color because you can see the real color on the beanie picture on the right. So anyway, the color is called Aqua and the color on the picture is not the color. Anyway, and it's a jauge 4, so it's perfect to make mini ornaments. Then I doubled this acrylic yarn with sequins silver thread to make it shiny. It's just so nice for Christmas. I love it. And then I use the fur yarn. It's called Fur the Love. Honestly, if you can find some at home that you already use, it will be better because I don't want you to buy the full ball of yarn just to make a mini pompom. So if you can find it at home, that will be perfect. So you will start by making 25 chain stitches plus 1 turning chain at the end. So a turning chain is just a regular chain stitches, but it permits you to turn on to the next row. So 25. Now you will do 1 single crochet in each previous chain stitches that you've made. Don't crochet the turning chain, it's only here to turn. So yes, 1 single crochet in each of the 25 chain stitches that you made before. So now you will focus on the back loop only. So I will show you right here where is the back loop. So you will crochet only in this loop instead of both loops. And you will do 1 single crochet in each. So right now we are starting a long series of rows that are exactly the same. So you will do 29 rows this way, with 1 single crochet in each stitch. So I will definitely suggest you to use a lap counter because you will need to count every rows. So it's pretty useful. I'll show you right here. And after 29 rows, so we are at row 30. This is your last row, and you should have something that looks like that. So there you go, 29 rows. Now you cut the thread, make sure it's long enough because you will use it to sew the beanie together. I also cut the silver thread because the sequins just blocks you during the finish. You see, I pull the thread and tie a knot like that. Then you fold it in half and I tie the knot with the 2 threads like that. It just stays together. And you start seeing the shape of your beanie a little bit. And you will start sewing all along the edge to make sure it just like stays together. So now we are done with the side, we will start to close the top. So here you see with my needle I go back and forth and you will create like a accordion. I don't know if we can say that in English, but yeah, so my needle just go like back and forth like that. And you will see later, but when you pull on the thread, it will close the top of the beanie. So there you go. And then you can pull and you see it close. It's magical. So now you can tie a knot to make sure you see it stay closed. Make sure to keep pulling on the thread while you make the knot, like that it stays closed. And now we will add some stitches on top of the hat, just to make sure, you know, when we put the pompon doesn't like fall through the beanie. So I just add some stitches. So now we are done with the sewing part. We are going to turn the hat on the other side so that the seams are not visible. Voila, so it will be prettier. And now you can just create the brim like that, you see, by folding the bottom a little bit. You can decide the height of the brim, it's up to you. So now for the pompon, you take a piece of fur yarn, you cut it and you double it, and then you make a first knot. So I put it in slow motion like that you guys have time to see. So you make a knot that creates a mini pompon, and then you will make another knot on top of the first one to make it bigger, like that. So now you have 4 threads, and the 4 threads you will insert them in the beanie. So I'll let you watch the video to see how to do. And now, last thing, don't forget to attach a silver thread to your beanie, like that you can put it in your Christmas tree. So we are done with our beanies. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you love your little beanie and you will put it in your Christmas tree. I wish you happy holidays and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like that.